Do you know if you always do protective style to protect your hair will grow long, thick and full because protective style will allow your hair to have rest of mind so that your natural hair will keep growing and growing than to be manipulated it every time. So if you want to see and know how I do this beautiful protective style, I guess you keep watching. Welcome back, family. In today's video, I'm here to share with you guys how I do this protective style plus moisturizing my hair. So if you want to see how I do this protective style, I guess you watch this video till end. As you can see here, my hair was so kinky. I'm trying to figure it out. The reason why I don't do it back of camera is because I want to show you guys that don't know how to deal with natural hair kinky without using it on their hair if they want to do their protective style. A lot of people like their hair, but they don't know how to go about it. So anytime they want to do their protective style, they put a lot of heat on it to straighten their hair so that it can be easy for them to do. Then after, they will end up losing a lot of hair due to heat damage. So it's simple. The only thing you need to do is to water your hair, guys. Water is the first thing when it comes to natural hair. If you are moisturizing your natural hair without water, then you will end up by breaking all your hair out. So family, as you can see, I parted a little bit of hair out of my hair so that it can be easy for me to comb through moisture and detangling. Then I will proceed with the braid. So guys, for those of you that have been struggling to do protective style on 4C and it's hard without using heat, here is another tips that will help you out without breaking all your hair out. Before I start, I want to say a big thank you for all the subscribers that subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate all your comments, love, like and wishes. We wish you the same as you wish us good. For those of you that are new on my YouTube channel, my name is Detangling. On this platform, we will be doing a lot of DIY remedy that will help your hair to grow longer. So if you want to join the hair growth family, I suggest you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for those of you that have been messaging us about our hair care product, I use this opportunity to say the hair care product is coming soon. Please stay tuned. As we continue this braid, let's talk about the setback that I had during my natural hair journey. As I began my natural hair journey in 2017, I started to be putting heat on my hair every time I want to stretch my hair out. Because at this time I was in mother time, I have kids, I'm pregnant, so I'm too tired and busy to take care of my hair very well. But the fact is that I take care of my kids' hair very well. And I don't always use it on their hair. I use it for their hair once in a year if I need to. The real fact is that if you are in mother time, you have like 3 to 4 kids that you are taking care of with different natural hair. Let me tell you family, you will not even have time to take care of yourself. You will only have half time for yourself and full time for the kids. So at that time, due to the tiredness and the pregnancy, I always use it on my hair to quickly get my hair done. But family, the heat damaged my hair. Fun fact: if you want to make this hair, you will need water, cream, and oil, because without all these ingredients, your hair is not going to moisturize. Moisturizing your hair will keep your hair healthy, smooth, and beautiful. So I want you to keep it in mind that the more you moisturize and keep your hair healthy, the more your hair will continue to be growing and growing. So back to our shots. If you notice in this video, guys, you will see the ends of my hair. Some are tiny, some are short, and some are long. This is because of the heat damage I experienced. Thanks to my organic Ayurveda products that I'm using on my hair since I stopped using it on my hair. It was the one that helped me to bring my hair back to life as you are seeing it now. Because during this time, I was pissed off to cut some of the ends of my hair that is damaged. And after doing so, I proceed with my organic hair products to bring my hair back to life. As you can see, family, I'm using my hand to first detangle my hair. I don't put comb direct because I know I'm fussy type, so I have to be careful the way I do it. Then after, I shower it with water. Then after water, I will use my cream to rub it very well. Then I proceed with oil to seal it so that it will moisture. Then I part it into two. I will comb it gently. Then I will now braid it. Keep washing. If you found a knot like this, stop. As you can see, there is knot in the middle of the hair. Stop and use your hand to detangle it before you proceed with comb, because if you don't stop, you will end up ripping the knot out with the comb, because the knot will not stretch itself inside the comb. You will be the one to stretch the knot so that you can easily comb your hair through. Another method that I use to stretch my hair is like so. I'm using my hand to stretch my hair from the roots, because fussy type always shrink in. So if you are departing your hair, make sure you use your finger to be wiping it out little. You hold them together with your 5 finger with oil and cream and wipe it out little before you put comb. Pay attention to the comb. You will see there is no hair coming out from the combing, because I've already stretched my hair with my hands and detangle it with water and oil before I put comb. Doing so will keep your hair coming out longer and healthy. If you notice the last one that I'm about to do, you will see that it doesn't long like the rest. Do you know why? It's because of heat damage that damaged the ends of my hair. But since I've begun to be using Ayurveda on my hair, to be doing organic oil to grow my hair back, I blow dry my hair once in a year if I need to. If I don't need to, I don't do it. But if I need to, I will do it. But I don't know the reason why I need to, because I have the method of blowing my hair without heat. It can take me time, but I'm happy I give my hair time to grow too, because we women grow as well. So you have to have time for your hair to grow so that you can be proud of who you are and also the crown that the universe crowned you. After finishing with the braids, I will now secure the ends with fire. So after that, I will proceed with hot water. And the reason why I'm doing like this is because I've already secured the ends with fire. So I want something that will be fluffy on my body. So that's why I put it on hot water. As you can see, so beautiful. As I always say, don't forget your hair is your crown. As you can see, the hair was so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It doesn't cost a lot of money. Just 2 euro wool I bought. Then I used to bring this style out. That is what they call protective style that will protect your natural hair while keeping this hair. My hair will keep growing. So thanks for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down in the section box below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel about this hair so that we can do a lot more. I wish you all good day, and I wish you all peace and love. Bye bye.